everyone, in this presentation we will talk about how personality and socialization affect the way lessons are planned and taught. These two things are important for creating a fun and inclusive classroom. Okay, the first one is personality. Personality means the unique traits of person like being outgoing or quiet. For example, some teachers like group discussion and while others prefer more structured tasks. The second one is socialization. Socialization is how people learn to interact with others and adapt to different culture and situation. Both personality and socialization play a big role in how teachers plan lesson and how students learn.
So now we will talk about the effects of personality on lesson planning and implementations. Let's start with personality. Teachers' personality greatly influence their teaching styles. For example, extrovert teachers might use group discussions or even prefer interactive activities, while the introvert teachers may lean towards structure like quiet tasks or writing exercise. So adaptable teachers who are flexible and open to change are better at adjusting lessons when something unexpected happens, such as students struggling with some topic or specific topics. So we talk about empathy. Empathy is another crucial personality trait. Empathetic teachers consider their students' diverse needs when planning lessons. For instance, they might create activities for both fast learners and who need extra support in some areas of improvement. Similarly, students' personality affect how they engage to the lesson. For example, extrovert students enjoy group work while introvert students might perform better in individual assignment. So teachers need to plan lessons that are cater both learner, which is a good learner and not a good learner.
Okay, next is the effect of socialization on lesson planning and implementation. So first, we have to look at socialization. Socialization is really important in between student and teachers because it is the way they interact in the classroom. For example, a teacher from a culture that values collaboration might be emphasize teamwork or create a teamwork between students. And some of teachers that are independent or individualistic culture might focus on independent work.
Classroom social dynamics are also important. Teachers who understand how students interact socially can design lessons that foster positive relationships.
For example, a teacher can create an activities like icebreaker so that the student will interact to each other and build trust on each other and work together. Socialization also affects the students differently because some of the students are well socialized and easily to adapt with others, but some of the students struggle to interact with others because of their own confidence level, and then because of the background or their own personalities. Teacher must balance their lesson plans to accommodate these differences, to balance the differences between the students.
Next, we're going to talk about how personality and socialization work together. How personality and socialization work together, they do not separate, but instead they work together to plan a lesson and implement it. For example, a teacher with an empathic personality and a strong understanding of socialization can create a lesson that can affect their classroom, which is cultural diversity and addressing students' individual needs. In this case, we have two examples. The first example, a detail-oriented teacher might create a highly structured lesson plan, but also incorporate group activities in their classroom. This is to encourage students' communication skill and also their social interaction. This approach combines their personality with their skills, and also understanding of socialization. The next example is a teacher who uses their extroverted personality lead lively classroom environment, which is they discuss while also being mindful of other students who need more introverted and need opportunities to work in a quieter ways. So by combining of self-awareness and also cultural understanding, teacher can create their lesson plans more effectively and inclusive.
In conclusion, personality and socialization are vital for lesson planning and implementation. A teacher's personality shapes their teaching style, while their understanding of socialization helps them to create lessons that meet the needs of diverse learners.
When two factors are used together, the teachers can increase the positive learning, engaging student, and integrates inclusive environment. So thank you for watching our presentation. We hope this helps you to understand the importance of personality and socialization in teaching.